Welcome to the Outrageous Pumpkins All-Stars Jelly Bean Taste-Off. Today, Terri Hardin and I are going face-to-face to see who can name the most jelly bean flavors, blindfolded. Terri, are you ready?
I am not, but let's go.
Okay, I'm gonna hand you a jelly bean. Terri, does it taste like mint?
It tastes fruity and minty. I'd have to say cherry.
Okay, next one. All right?
This tastes like coconut.
Okay, I don't think that's correct. Okay, Terri?
Yes, I'm ready.
Hit it, hit it. Hit it, Terri.
There we go, we're going again.
What are you tasting, Terri?
I am tasting sour apple.
Ting! Nailed it, Terri. Okay, you ready for the next one?
Yep. You know, I don't usually eat jelly beans, but this is kind of growing on you.
Okay.
I think I have too many flavors in my mouth, but I'll go with pineapple.
And last one. Last one.
I already thought I was going to just spend the day eating jelly beans.
Oh, there's many more
Damaris and
colors
Terri
to try,
eating jelly
Terri.
bean. It tastes sour.
Maybe it is sour.
Watermelon-y.
Okay, watermelon.
That's what it
Correct,
tastes.
Terri. 2 out of 5. 2 out of 5.
2 out of 5.
Can I beat 2 out of 5?
I think so. All right, Damaris,
Okay.
your turn.
Does my cat mask look cute?
Put it in your paw, right to the paw.
Maybe like pumpkin pie?
That is correct.
Is it?
Well done, you're right. All right, here comes the next one. What are you tasting, Damaris?
It tastes like a jelly bean to me. I'm going raspberry.
Not correct.
It's not?
No,
Is it? Are you sure?
the survey says no. We've got 3 more. You've
Okay.
got this, Damaris. I know you do.
I really think that's raspberry.
Yes, I mean, we'll argue with the judges afterwards.
I'm gonna say pina colada.
It is
coconut.
sherbet, she said.
Oh, sherbet. It does taste like sherbet.
She says, okay, she'll go with you
That's
on
right,
that one.
it does taste like sherbet.
All righty, I'm gonna do this one next. You have 2 more.
That one's the apple one.
Yay, you got 2. You have to win this one or we may have to take a taste off, Damaris.
Oh, that's cinnamon. For sure. It's spicy. I mean, okay, hi.
There she is, 3 and what? Damaris wins!
Meow!
Yeah, you won.
I can't believe I'm the winner of the jelly bean taste off.
Oh, I can.
Let me taste that one. Nope.